If your breaker keeps tripping, your electrical system is trying to warn you about something, and ignoring it or constantly resetting it can turn a small issue into a dangerous one. In this video, we will explain the most common reason breakers trip repeatedly, what you should never do, and the warning sign that means it's time to call a professional electrician. A circuit breaker is a safety device. Its job is to shut power off when the circuit became unsafe. That can happen because circuit is overloaded. There is short circuit, a ground fault is detected, a breaker has failed, or an appliance is pulling too much power. The breaker is not the problem most of the time. It usually protects you from the bigger electrical issue. The most common cause is a simple overload circuit. This happens when too many high-power electrical devices run on the same breaker at the same time. Common examples include space heaters, microwaves, hair dryers, window AC, or even vacuum cleaner. Older houses especially may not have enough dedicated circuits for today's electrical demand. If the breaker trips only when multiple devices run together, overload is likely the issue. A short circuit is more serious. This happens when a hot wire touches another wire or a metal surface where it shouldn't. Signs of a short circuit include burning smell, blackened outlets, sparks. Breaker trips instantly after resetting. Short circuits can create dangerous heat very quickly and should never be ignored. Another common issue is a ground fault. This happens when electricity takes an unintended path to the ground, often around water or damaged wire. Ground faults are common in bathrooms, kitchens, garages, outdoor outlets, or maybe even HVAC equipment. This is exactly why GFCI protection exists in wet areas. Sometimes the breaker itself is failing. Breakers wear out over time, especially if they are tripped repeatedly for years, but the issue could also be an appliance or HVAC system drawing excessive power. We often see this with older air conditioners, compressors, electric water heaters, refrigerators, portable heaters. If breaker trips every time one specific appliance turns on, that appliance needs professional inspection. Here, what you should never do. Do not keep resetting the breaker over and over. Replace it with a larger breaker. Ignore burning smell. Use multiple extension cords as permanent fix. Breaker that trips repeatedly is warning you that something is unsafe. Bypassing that protection can lead to damaged wiring, electrical fires, or equipment failure. Call a professional immediately. If you notice burning smell, warm outlet, buzzing sound, flickering lights, smoke, breakers tripping instantly, or sign of melted wiring, there are not normal electrical problems. If your breaker keeps tripping, don't just reset it and hope for the best. The safest solution is find the real cause before it became a larger electrical problem. Fuse Service can inspect your electrical system, diagnose an issue safely, and make the proper repairs. Call Fuse Service today and schedule your electrical inspection online. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow for more home owner electrical tips.